Hi Rakesh.
Hi ma'am.
How are you?
Fine ma'am.
I'm Savitri from Quality Department. Today I'm going to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
So first of all, congratulations for your placement.
Thank you ma'am.
So can you introduce yourself?
Ma'am, myself Rakesh. I have graduated from Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences at Tirupathi.
How you got to know about the CMTI?
Ma'am, I am searching about any courses about construction. I referred in some Google web pages like social media like that. I found one page like CMTI,
Okay, in CMTI, which course you have taken?
Advanced Construction Management plus BIM. ma'am.
Okay, what you learn in that course?
Sequence of construction, basic construction materials, BOQ, QC, QS, BBS, etc. AutoCAD, Vastu session.
You have visited various site and showroom visit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what you learn in that site and showroom visit?
Ma'am, I learned about how they use columns, beams, and floor height in commercial and residential types of materials.
Okay, for which role you have selected?
Ma'am, graduate engineer train as site engineer.
Okay, how many rounds are there?
5 rounds, ma'am.
What were the rounds?
First one is technical, ma'am. Next one is aptitude and listening, ma'am. Next one GD, ma'am. Group discussion. Next one with HR round, ma'am. Next one with managing director.
Okay, you used our CMTI, right? So, what are the benefits and how it was benefit to crack the interview?
Ma'am, here I learned some practical knowledge. The practical knowledge very useful in technical and HR rounds. They asked about practical knowledge only, ma'am. I answered for that easily.
Okay, how was the staff and trainer support towards you to crack the interview?
And staff are very supportive, and they will tell us they will teach us very friendly.
Okay, how was the coordinator support towards you?
Ma'am, they support us always at the
So, what do you want? Finally, what do you want to tell about your friends and juniors who are going to join the CMTI?
ma'am, I'll refer to my juniors today only, ma'am. Someone are asking about CMTI, how training is running, about placements. I'll refer, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your feedback, Rakesh. So, congratulations for your placement. Have a bright future.
Thank you.